accounting for southeastern Hendricks County, northern Johnson County, southern Marion County, northeastern Morgan County, northwestern Shelby County, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Denville, or 19 miles west of Indianapolis, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Plainfield, Mooresville, Greenwood, Southport, Cami, Indianapolis Central Airport, Homecroft, New Whiteland, Bogstown. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 92 and 106. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers